Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add black background color in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now change this background color and convert to black background color. Select Tools option. Now select Edit PDF option and select More option. Here you will find this background option. Now select Update or Add background color. Replace background and select your background color option. Here you will find this black color background. Now this is black color background opacity. And see this. Now we will select OK. Also you can change page range, specific page or all page. And see this. Black color background already added. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.